Hi there, and welcome back to Artisan Upholstery Studio. Today I have an embarrassing confession to make. I have a little bit of a problem, and I didn't realize I had this problem, but then going through my drawers and it just occurred to me that I got a little bit of a problem, and let me show you what my problem is. I think I might be a scissor hoarder. So I do have quality scissors. In fact, I have 5 pairs of quality scissors that I paid a lot of money for. But then I also have all of these dollar store scissors. They're plastic and they work really well for about a week, and then they don't. And then it costs like $2 to go and buy a new pair, where it costs $9 to get my scissors sharpened. And then they're out of commission for a week because that's how long it takes the dude to do it. So you understand the dilemma. $2, $9, but then this. That's not good. So the good news is that I think I have found something that's going to solve my problem, and I'm going to share it with you. Even when you invest in a good pair of shears, they're going to lose their sharpness over time, and they're not going to cut well anymore. So I'm hoping that this helps remedy the problem. It's an Edgecraft Scissor Pro. Found this one online on Amazon. It's, not cheap. I think it was like 120 something bucks. Probably want to read that. The last thing I want to do is totally screw up my scissors. They were expensive. Oh, look at that. It's got little suction cups on the bottom to hold it on there. It's not going to work well on this surface, obviously. All right, so this is okay. Fine and coarse. Fine and coarse. Okay. I'm going to read the instructions because I feel as though it's probably necessary to do that. Okay, so important safeguards, diagrams, important information, and general procedure. Okay. Hold down mechanism. Sharpening strokes. You know what? I learn better by doing than reading, so I'm gonna just try it out, and I'm gonna try it out first on my cheap scissors so that if I screw it up, I don't care because I have a lot of cheap scissors. So first, testing the scissors. They are not sharp. They are really not sharp. They don't even cut anything. All right, so turning it on, it's nice and quiet. And here I can see that there's a thing spinning, and I'm going to put it so that the blade part is up. And I'm just going to run it through a few times and see what happens. Okay, so it's pretty easy to keep it in that little groove thing that's there. So that's good. Okay, I'm going to try the other side. If you've done this a million times, please don't laugh at me. piece of fabric and test that out.
So testing it out, look at that. That is a good cut. I could work with that.
Okay, so let's try it from a different angle so that maybe you can see what I'm doing.
Ooh, there's glue on that one. All right, I don't know.
Not bad. Okay, now I want to try this one. There we go.
Ooh, that looks sharp. Nice.
That was even easier than I thought it was going to be. I mean, it seemed pretty foolproof. There was a little guide, so there was really no way to screw it up. It just kept the scissors in line, and when I was done, they were sharp. I didn't really want something where I needed to learn a new skill. I just wanted a product that was going to make my scissors sharp every day. And I'm quite happy with my purchase, honestly. It wasn't cheap. It was $120. And at the end of the day, it's going to save me money because, you know, I have a lot of scissors to sharpen. So, would recommend it. And thank you for watching.